Selecting stitches on the Singer Simple machine is actually just that easy. We will find that we have a stitch length knob and then all the stitches are on the stitch selection knob. You'll notice that they are color coded. So for those that are in the black coloring, so if I just want a straight stitch, I'm going to be on the stitch that is black, then I can have stitch length. If they're one of the other colors, there is a teal colored stitch and a red stitch. So to get a teal colored stitch, you need to turn the stitch length knob to the teal S1. And if you want the red stitch, you'll turn it to the red S2. So as long as they're color coded, it's really that easy. So as you want a zigzag, you will find that that's a black stitching area. You can have any length of stitch depending on what you're going for. If you want a close together, meaning a narrower zigzag, be on the smaller end. If you want a wider one, be on the longer end. And then you can actually change the settings while you sew. So you can actually make it longer or closer together as you're stitching. Now here's just a little note. If you've stopped and the needle is in the fabric, so I'm going to cycle it all the way into the fabric, it is not a good idea to turn this knob because the needle's going to kind of do a little swing. Just bring your hand wheel all the way, turn it so your needle is up, and then that way you can switch it. You kind of can see it moving. I always try to keep that needle safe and not have it kind of drag in the fabric. So again, whichever stitch you want to stitch, if you want the red one on that particular one, just go ahead and select the stitch and start to sew. And you're going to be surprised, a lot of these stitches are actually designed and they can be decorative. Make sure when you're done, I was going to pull the fabric out, so I brought the take-up lever to the highest position. Then I can pull this out smoothly, use the thread cutter on the side of the machine, and then when I go to stitch again, I don't have to worry about holding on to those threads. When you want to go back to a straight stitch, just find the straight stitch, go back to a stitch length. Usually 2.5 is a nice normal place to start. If your fabric's heavier, do a heavier, bigger number. A little bit finer, do the 2. Notice there is also a picture for a buttonhole. So when you are doing the one-step buttonhole, then the stitch length is going to be between 0 and 1. So it's pretty easy to get around your machine. Selecting the stitches that you need are right at your fingertips.